Friends, today we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT. First of all, we have to open chat.openai.com. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a diverse range of internet text and can generate human like text on a variety of topics. It can be used for natural language processing tasks such as language translation, summarization, text compilation, and more. Here, we will use for some particular purpose. For example, we want to write an article of 500 words on USA. Now you can see the United States of America, commonly known as United States or simply America, is a country located in North America. Within a minute, you can write an article and generating human-like text. We can use ChatGPT for answering question and providing information, generating creative writing such as stories, articles, and poems, translating text from one language to another, generating code snippets and programming documentations, generating products descriptions and marketing copy. It can generate name, labels, and headlines. It can also generate personalized email and message responses. You can see it's continue the writing. Once it's completed, we can copy and paste and used anywhere we want. In the end, in conclusion, the United States of America is a diverse and vibrant country. Now you can see our article has been completed. Now we can see another use. For example, write an HTML code to link the picture is in folder my computer. You will see it will generate HTML code. It's really a magic. SEO. Normally, we have to watch the complete video, then we um, make bullet points to remember the SEO points. Now it's very easy to remember and making a bullet points. Really, it's magic. Thank you very much. Please don't miss a single video and hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to stay updated on all our latest content. Thank you very much.